Today I plan on going to Best Buy first of all. This is a really big priority because there's that scratch on that GoPro. I want to go see if I can go exchange it in for a GoPro Hero 7. Maybe pay like the extra $100 more to just compensate, but yeah. Also, I brought my gear with me because I saw that there was a nice empty lot behind the Tempe Town Marketplace, so yeah. Here we go then. Well, I'm at this construction site right now. I can't find anyone to ask if I could fly here, so, and it's not fenced or anything, so I guess I'll give a shot, I guess. And yeah. Okay, so the GoPro is charged to like 19%, so I'm only gonna fly one pack today, so might as well just use it as is on 19%. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so was the GoPro Hero 7 Black any different than my previous Hero 5? Well, from what I can tell right now, it's definitely lighter than the Hero 5, and I can definitely feel the weight difference on my quad when I fly, so that's good. But otherwise, I guess I'm probably gonna have to go home and go do a more in-depth analysis after watching the run. Well, after watching the video, I'm pretty happy about it. I can definitely see my hesitation less, specifically on that power loop. Typically after power loops, right on the landing of a power loop, I guess, or finish, I would typically have a bit of scratchiness, either due to prop wash or something like that, so that's better. And yeah, I just think this camera is going to be very hard to top off. I'm really curious as to what GoPro would be able to do next year.